What's up everyone, it is Tyiece here. So today I will be doing a get ready with me in partnership with Mielle Organics featuring their new rice water collection. So these are all of the products from the rice water collection, and oh my goodness, the packaging is so pretty. That is what caught me to this line, the pretty packaging. So I'm starting off with the split end therapy. So I just dampen my hair a bit first. So this product can be used either as a split end care prevention or it can be used daily, but today I will be using it as a split end care prevention. So since I'm using it this way, it is advised to use it before shampooing. So the consistency of this product is very lightweight and liquid texture. So it actually resembles rice water if you've ever done the DIY at home. So this product does strengthen against split ends, being that hydrolyzed collagen is the second ingredient on there. So after applying this product, my hair feels very soft, and it's also surprisingly very manageable even though this is a strengthening product. So after applying the split end therapy to my hair, I just detangle my hair and put it out of the way, and then I just cover it for about 10 minutes before I shampoo my hair. So the scent of this line is like citrus, being that it contains yuzu fruit, which is an Asian citrus fruit that contains antioxidants such as vitamin C, which is known for producing collagen in the hair. So this line is very strengthening, and like I said, it also has rice water, which is known for strengthening the hair, being that it contains inositol, which is an ingredient in rice water that penetrates damaged hair and repairs it from within. So this is a perfect line for length retention, as it states. So after letting my hair sit for about 10 minutes, I can definitely feel the strengthening effects of the split end therapy. My hair feels very strong, as if I did a protein treatment. Since this line doesn't contain a shampoo, I'm using the rosemary mint shampoo to clean my hair after rinsing out my hair. Now I am following up with the clay mask. So this is the clay mask from the collection, and this clay mask has dual purpose. It is meant to remove impurities and detox both the hair and body while conditioning. So the texture of this mask is so pretty and different. Oh my goodness, I love the pinky texture. It is just so satisfying to use this product. So taking it out, it is super creamy. I was shocked by how creamy it feels, being that this is a detoxifying mask. So this mask contains kaolin clay, and it also leaves a cooling sensation on the skin and scalp, being that it contains peppermint and rosemary oil. So this mask goes on very easily. I don't have a problem distributing the mask on my hair. My hair feels very soft at first. So it detangles okay. This isn't a mask I would suggest detangling with the product in. I would wait until I rinse it out. So after doing that section, I completed my whole head, and I love the pink hue that this mask creates on my hair. And then I go over my body with that clay, since this is a body detoxer as well. And this mask didn't irritate my skin or anything, and I do have sensitive skin, by the way. So I find that it rinses out of my hair and skin very easily. I do not have a problem rinsing this product out at all. So after rinsing it out, my hair feels very stiff and strong. So you definitely have to follow up with a moisturizing conditioner after using this product. So I'm using the Mongongo hydrating conditioner on my hair, and then I rinsed it out. And now it's time to style my hair with the rest of the rice water collection. So this week I will be doing a braid out on my hair, since I haven't done one in a while, especially since my hair has gotten a lot longer. So to style my hair, I will be using the Moisturizing Hair Milk. So this does double as a moisturizer, and it can be used to style the hair. So I just apply that moisturizer to my hair, and it instantly softens my hair and make it a lot easier to detangle the hair. So I just follow up with the Shine Mist, being that this is a water-based product. So this product definitely adds a lot of shine to the hair, and it also prevents a lot of flyaways after your hair is completely dry. So you can also use this product to refresh your curls and hydrate it midweek while also adding even more shine to your hair. So after taking down my hair feels extremely soft. I was surprised by the performance of these products, being that they are meant to be strengthening. My hair felt so soft, and it is super shiny from using that shine mist, of course, while it was wet. So I'm just carefully unraveling my hair. I didn't do it too much because the moisturizer doesn't really have a strong enough hold to fully separate the hair, so I just lightly separated the hair without splitting it apart at the end. So I'm just touching up my edges a little bit with the Rosemary Mint Edge Control. So these are the final results of my Get Ready With Me featuring the Rice Water collection. I love how my braid out came out. It is nice and juicy and hydrated and strong. So don't forget to check out this newly released line by Mielle down below and subscribe for weekly videos.